Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life 365. Today I'm just doing a quick more unwrapping than an unboxing because I already opened the boxes for some new things I purchased for my car detailing business. As you all know, or if you don't know, I do have a small car detailing business based here in the Lower Mainland in British Columbia, Canada. And it's called Spray and Shine, so I'll leave the link down below if you have any questions to it or whatnot. Love supporting people love supporting local these days, and it's always great because it's just a really small detailing company for car washes. And I just started offering the paint correction. So got a few things today, really excited about it. Actually picked it up from Carzilla, but most of these are actually available on Amazon as well. I won't go through the prices. There's a huge list of items in these boxes, so I'll just leave them in the description. Click on the link to know more about them and where to purchase them and such. Okay, so really quick, without anything else, let's just go through it. So I will say as well, Carzilla is based in Calgary. They do a super good job packaging and shipping really quickly to me. So mainly for everything I buy from them. Chris and Andrew, who are the owners of the company, they're great. Communication is huge with them too. You email them, they'll get back to you within a day. So anyways, there's two boxes. They came in 2 different days. Let's start with this one. So again, packaged and padded really well, if you notice. I mean, a lot of these things are liquid, so don't want them moving around, spilling during packaging. So let's throw those aside. All the packaging here. Okay, so let's start with this box on the right side. So let's do that first. So what do we have in here? So I actually just got a few things. Again, all these products, I have not tried them before. I'm getting them to try it out, but reading reviews from them and whatnot, they're actually really good. So this one is Dr. Beasley's. They have a lot of detailing things in their company, Chicago-based, made in the US. So a lot of their stuff is quality as well. This is the leather lock. So as it says here, resist spills, stains, and it's long-lasting formula. I have a leather car. A lot of my customers have leather seats as well, or faux leather. So I use it for that. Safe on all coated leather. So this one actually works, I believe, for the King Ranch leather for the like high-end Ford F-150 trucks, which come with that. I believe so. So yeah, that one's great. Again, I won't go through the prices. It's just coating for the leather. Secondly, what I got, again, I'm running out of floor mat cleaner, so I got McKee's 37, also a really good brand. They've been around for a while. I use their kind of 4-in-1, I forgot what it's called, honestly, not the top of my head. But it's a 4-in-1. You can use it for clay lube, rinseless wash, waterless wash. But I use that more for a clay lube, so you can dilute it. It's one of those. I may leave a link in the description. But anyways, I'm running out of floor mat, so I used to use the Chemical Guys floor mat purple one cleaner, kind of like a matte renew. But I'm going to try this out. Good reviews on this so far, so I'm just going to try it. Floor mat and cargo liner cleaner and rejuvenator. You basically spray it on. You brush it with either a carpet brush or those hard stiffy brushes. I use a drill with the drill head attachment to clean all my things. You can always see my videos on YouTube as well on this channel to kind of get a feel of it. I do shorts of it as well for the matte clean, so you can check that out. All the details in the back. So what it says here, 2-in-1 cleaner and rejuvenator for rubber and vinyl floor mats and liners. Basically, it's almost like an all-purpose cleaner. But what I like to do, honestly, is... Oh, Siri's recording me again. What I like to do is spray those... if it's really caked on dirt, I spray on an all-purpose cleaner first or a degreaser, and then I spray this after. So any carpet cleaner, once that's it, you rinse it out with a pressure washer, air blow dry, and then hang dry or whatever. So next thing, I actually opened this already because I had to wash all my rags. So this is from P&S Double Black, Rennie Dole Collection, Rags Riches. Premium microfiber. So same thing. It's from the rag company. Super good. The thing I like about this, I literally just used it probably 10 minutes ago when my rags are washing right now. Pre-measured filler here. So there's the ounces, ml back here, and a bunch of the markings here as well. 1 ounce for small or light dirt, 1 to 2 ounces for heavy. And then you could also do 1 to 2 ounces of pre-soak if your things are really like you have hydrophobic towels or whatnot. But for those of you who do have a detailing business or like detailing cars, you know how I guess expensive microfibers can get once you keep reusing, tossing them out. So I like keeping mine in good condition, and I just use a high quality thing. This is also pretty concentrated. I currently have the Chemical Guys rag washes, microfiber wash as well, but I'm trying this out. Super good reviews on it. Good thing about this really quickly, all you need to do is unscrew this cap, and then you see this little straw-like thing on the left. Once you push it, you gotta unscrew it first. Once you push it through, it pushes the liquid into this pre-measured cup, and then you could just dump it out. It's super clean, super simple. So that's that. Next thing, leather shampoo. So again, this is for the car seats. You spray it on. It's a conditioner, kind of a shampoo. So they're 70% cleaner and that's 30% conditioner. Rich, foamy, pH balance, so safe on a lot of your car leather itself. You spray it on. You brush the car with a leather brush, which I believe I have here. So that's the last thing. So this is from Gion. I mean, all these, the brands I get things from are really good. So this is a horsehair brush and really ergonomical, just hold it in one hand. As you can see, it kind of conforms to the grooves of your hand. You just scrub it, spray it on. You could use a foam one. They do have a lot of foaming leather cleaners as well. So yeah, that's the brush. I think that is it for this box. So let's toss that aside. Next box. So there's a lot of repeat items, but repeat as in I got a few of them, but never tried it yet. This, again, looked at reviews of it, heard really good things about it. Again, from the Rag Company, premium microfiber towels. They have tons of microfiber towels since 1999. It's the Ultra Utility Brush. Comes in a huge box because it is a pretty big brush itself. I got a few of these, so really good packaging. Okay, so it's huge, super soft. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can use this virtually for anything because it's not going to really scratch or paint. But if you ask me, am I going to use it for the car paint or whatnot, I may use it for the panels in the lower panels that are, vinyl or plastic or anything like that. I'm not going to use it for the paint just because I kind of love not having swirls in my car. But I honestly don't think you will get swirls because this is really soft. I haven't had anything this soft. You can use for wheels, anything. So it's kind of just a major utility brush. Nice wood as well. So, I mean, I'm actually quite impressed with it. Anyway, so I got, let's see, 3 of them in these big boxes. So one that I opened and an extra 2. Next thing I got, same things, 2 of them. Ultra soft utility brush. Same thing, it's going to be soft. What I'm going to use with this, honestly, really quickly, so it is from Axe Shine Ultra Soft Brushes, designed for light duty cleaning around scratch prone areas, so interior surfaces, whatnot. I have seen some people, and this is nice too, comes in a protective case. I believe you clip it through. Let's just see. Yeah, click it open here, and it should open that way. Okay, there you go. So, wow. Okay, super duper soft. What I'm going to try, I got 3 of them. What I'm going to try with it is one of them, I use some tire coating for the rubbers. I heard that's the best way to actually distribute the coating evenly because obviously, the sidewalls of the rubber tires come with a bunch of grooves and nooks and crannies. So this will get all the product in there when you're just doing the tires around, especially if you're doing a high quality coating. So you just put it back in, seal it up, click, clip, and you're good to go. So I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And forgot to mention this about the great thing about Carzilla. When you order some minimums, they give you a free product, especially kind of is related usually to the majority of your orders. So I usually get tar removers and such. So this is going to be CarPro Release. I guess this is my free product. CarPro is another good, I believe it's a UK brand. Short-term protection for ceramic coatings and post coating. So pre-delivery. Okay, so that's just a trial version, just a sample. What I am excited about though are 2 things that I got with it. So I got new winter wheels, and so that's just a box, so we're gonna toss that aside. New winter wheels and rubbers. I got the Michelin Alpine 5 SUVs for my car. So going to be slapping those on. I got new wheels for them as well. They're kind of brushed bronze, so I'm super excited to use them. So I'm going to coat them before winter comes. Live in the harsh weather in Canada. Salt, everything I want coated. So first thing is I got this car. So again, it's from CarPro. And it's the Sea Quartz kind of collection for them. A lot of good quality stuff. So as you see as well, 2022, this usually comes with a date. Any ceramic coating, anything like that is going to come with a date. The reason is these things have a shelf life and an expiration date. So it's CarPro blackout tire and rubber coating. It's going to give that satin black gloss to your rubbers. The good thing about it, rubber tires, this is going to give it 6+ months of protection. Now that's kind of your winter months anyway, so you're going to get here. So I'm going to slap those on my winters, and it should last the whole season until I do a tire swap. Then I can do proper clean again and whatnot. Really good. Not going to open it yet, but it comes with a few things like the cleaning cloth, the glass itself, whatnot. Next thing. So this one, again, this I will open because it's covered in bubble wrap. So they do this because it's glass. So this is actually a ceramic coating. Going to be, so that CarPro's blackout, that was for the rubber tires, and this is going to be for the wheel. Didn't break, nothing. So again, good packaging. It's from the brand Apex, and it is surface protection. So it's a wheel coat. This wheel coat, after you do it with a clean tire, it's going to last a minimum of 3 years. So I'll be honest with you, sometimes I don't keep my car for over 3 years or 4. But at least I might keep this one for longer. I really like the car. It's an X5 M50i. Super quick car. Just don't ask me about how much I pay for gas, because when you get a car like that, you're not going to expect to have good gas mileage anyways. But yeah, this super good. Again, I'm going to try it. Haven't tried it yet, but based on reviews, really good. So that's basically it. All my products, like I said, I'll leave a link to the description for them. Just a quick video again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm doing a giveaway. For those of you who have watched it or haven't watched it, it is not for the, I'm not giving away the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm doing a giveaway for the iPhone, or sorry, not iPhone, an Amazon gift card for $100. It's going to be an e-gift card. So after I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a draw based on the comments and subscribers. And then whoever wins, obviously I'll contact you and send you the e-gift card through email or electronic means. Anyways, yeah, so hit that notification bell as well if you haven't, just to basically know when I have videos posted. And if you like my channel, thanks again for the support and have a good day.